Hello there, this is George at Coatings by the Bay. Just wrapped up this white Tesla Model Y 2025. She's looking absolutely beautiful. Full exterior, of course, because the glass going over the roof. No real way to say, hey, just do the paint and stop there. But the little detail that I want to point out here is that the full exterior includes plastic trim, of course, as well as the glass, rims, headlights, taillights, everything except the rubber. I get asked what separates us from other companies, and I can promise you something like this is consistently missed. So you see here, flush at close. So full exterior plastic is done here. But do you really want to show off your vehicle and this strip is dry and untreated? Well, this isn't technically exterior, and I don't blame any detailer for skipping over it. It's the little things that make the difference. Convertible tops where it goes down, plastic trim that's just inside the door. Little things like that make all the difference in how you feel about your vehicle when you leave. If you need ceramic coating in Wisconsin, that is all we do. In-studio installation in Grand Chute. We serve the entire state with mobile installation. You just need a garage with access to just standard water and power, and we can come to you anywhere in Wisconsin. We are exclusive to ceramic coatings, like I just said. It is, you will get the exact experience that you pay for. I can promise you there's a $500 guy out there that'll slap something on the car and roll. But we are competitively priced. New car specialists, like I said, exclusive to ceramic coating, and it makes sure that you get the little trim pieces like that on the inside of the door covered, so that you're not embarrassed when somebody hops in the back seat in a couple weeks and they see this dry, crusty, salty piece of plastic in there. So if you need ceramic coating, you're looking for something that's high gloss, easy to clean, chemical resistant, we would love to talk. You can text me anytime, 920-659-0023, or head on over to our website, coatingsbythebay.com. Link will be in the profile.